Looking for the cake rings? In this video we look at some of the top 3 cake rings on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. Best cake rings. At number 3, Californiacade electronic cake ring. Pros: this is a single ring which can adjust between 6 and 12 inches in diameter. Slightly deeper than 3 inches. Clear edges. Adjusts accurately. Cleans in the dishwasher. Helps you get a professional finish. Straight edges. Cons: the handles that make this mold adjustable also prevent it from being used as a cutter. Bottom line: if you're looking for a cake ring you can adjust to several sizes, this is a good quality option. At number 2. Ateco adjustable ring mold. Pros: adjusts to different diameters, in 0.5 inch increments from 7 to 9 inches. Good for plating dishes. High quality construction. It's marked to help you get your sizing right. Decent quality for the price. Saves space by storing at smallest diameter. Cons: that the ring sometimes slides out of place. Bottom line: one ring to help you make 5 different sizes of cake. This is a good value and space saver. At number 1. Eurotins round mousse cake baking rings. Pros: this set contains 4 rings, 6, 8, 10 and 12 inches in diameter, all 3 inches deep. The quality is good. They work well for making tiered cakes, mousse, or fruit tarts. Can be used to cut out circles in larger sheet cakes, or you can bake directly in the rings. Cons: these rings are not adjustable. Bottom line: this set of 4 baking rings offers practical sizes and stainless steel construction. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.